Alright guys, welcome to my Forex technical analysis tutorial series. Today we are going to talk on the topic in our basic technical analysis. So let's see what topic we have for today. Okay, today we are going to talk about very basic, very fundamental, without which you cannot take your position or you cannot take a trade in Forex trading. It is support and resistance level. So let's take an example. These are the horizontal levels on charts, which are the most important part in technical analysis and included in almost every strategy or method. So this is how it looks like. This is a picture of upward bullish market, and you see on top these are the resistance levels, and on bottom these are the support levels. So these are the horizontal resistance and horizontal support levels. So support and resistance levels in high time frames are considered much stronger. It means they are hard to break than the ones in lower time frames. So let's look at a more formal definition of support level and resistance level. The support level, it acts as a floor to price, and price tends to bounce from it due to the presence of heavy buy orders from different market participants. A support level is also considered stronger if touched by price 3 times, and once price breaks through it becomes a resistance level. So this is how it looks like. So this is support level. So you see we have a support level over here. So this acts as a floor to the price. Now resistance level, it acts as a ceiling to price, and price tends to come off from it due to presence of heavy sell orders from different market participants. A resistance level is considered stronger if it touches by 3 times same as support level, and once price breaks through it becomes a support level. So this is where the resistance level actually becomes a ceiling, where the price goes up, then it bounces back over here, and over here. So now let's look at it in more detail. When the price moves up and then pulls back, the highest point reached before it pulls back is now resistance, and we call it a resistance level because there is a surplus of sellers. So again, look at the same picture. We have a resistance level over here in this circle, and this is where we call them surplus of sellers. And in the same way, when the price continues up again, the lowest point reached before it started is called support level. So support levels indicate where there will be a surplus of buyers. Over here, the same picture, this is the support level, and this is where we see surplus of buyers. So this is how we look at it: surplus of sellers and surplus of buyers. So how do we plot support and resistance levels? So one thing you need to remember, that resistance and support levels are not exact numbers or exact horizontal lines that you once draw then they remain there. They are volatile, they keep moving. So oftentimes you will see a support or resistance level that appears broken, but soon after you find that the market was just testing it. With candlestick charts, these tests of support and resistance are usually represented by the candlestick shadows. So how do we plot? Okay, you can look at this picture where you see the price is actually, this is the support level, this line, and this shows the support level, and this is where the price touches and then goes further. Again it goes back, and then it touches the level again, and then it goes down a bit, but then it bounces back. So you can see how the shadows of the candle, like this is the shadow of the candle, this wick, this extended line of the candle touch the 1.4700 surplus. So this is the 1.4700 is the support level, and those time it seemed that the price is breaking this level, but actually it just goes down a bit. It just extends this one leg and then it pulls back. So see, over here and over here. So in this way we just do our analysis that the price was just testing that level. So it was just testing that level, it did not break. If it had broken, it would have actually gone down to this level. Okay, so support level becoming resistance level. So this is where the you see all these support levels. From there the price actually goes back, comes here again, and then goes back, comes here. But over here, when the price comes, it actually breaks this level, and then it starts moving down, and then it shows another level. and then it bounces back, and then from there it again bounces back and goes back. So this level, this and this, actually it has now become the resistance level. First it was the support level. So again, resistance level converting into support level. So this is where the price was touching and going back, and then touching again, and then bouncing back, and over here it again goes here and then bounces back, and then it stays here for some time, and over there when it touches this level again, then it actually breaks it and goes up a bit, and then comes back, and then it like close to this level and then goes back again. So this resistance level becomes a support level, because now the price has broken this level, and then from here it bounces back and goes up. So how we know if support and resistance level really broken? So we can see there is thought that a support or resistance level gets broken if the price just goes past that level. Actually it's actually not true. See over here, it has gone past that level, but it has actually not broken because it has come back again. So take an example of this 1.4700 level again. Price closed below, so it went down, closed below 1.4700 support, but eventually rose above it. So it goes back, but actually it bounces back again. And if you believe that this seems a real breakout of the price, you took a sale trade. If you think that now it's breaking and the price will move further, and over here if you take a sale break, then you know this judgment will seriously hurt you. It was just the price was testing it, and it was just a kind of a fake breakout. So by looking at the chart, the price broke through that level, but not that much. It bounced back and became even a stronger support. So one way to help you find these zones is to plot support and resistance on a line chart rather than on a candlestick chart. And why is that? Because the reason is line charts only show the closing price, while candlestick charts at extreme highs and lows of that price. And these highs and lows can be misleading because of sometimes they are just the knee-jerk reactions of the market. And if you have already studied candlestick patterns, you know what does this mean. So by looking at the picture, we can see these are the resistance zones. So where the price actually touches again and again, they become that kind of a resistance zone or the support zone. So this is where the price is touching like many times, 1 2 3, and this is a resistance zone here. So over here this is a resistance zone. Then we have a support level. This is where the price goes down and bounces back again, bounces back again, bounces back, and over here. So these are this resistance and support zones. So some other tips for support and resistance levels: whenever the price passes or breaks through any resistance level, that resistance does not stay as resistance anymore and potentially becomes a support level, as we discussed in the previous slide. And in other scenario, the more frequently the price touches test a level of resistance or support without breaking it, the stronger the area of resistance or support level becomes. And when a resistance or support level breaks, the strength of the follow-through move depends on the strength of the broken support and resistance level. So some detail and some more tips on understanding support and resistance level. So you can see over here there is a chart, this kind of an upward movement. So you see there are like it's kind of a minor resistance, but here it's a strong support, like it touches like 2 times and bounces back. So again you can see over there it's some kind of a minor support, and this is on top is kind of a major resistance because the price touches here and then comes back first time, second time, and the third time, right? And then over again it goes down, and then it goes back again and again. At this point, at this resistance level, it touches and comes back again. So this is where it's a major resistance. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. I will see you next time. For now, have a good day. Bye bye.